To add a dry fertilizer to Hydrobuddy, simply go to any bag of fertilizer that you've got and take a picture of the label or scan that label in somehow, and then open up your Hydrobuddy and go to the main page. Go to Substance Selection, Add New, and this is the Master Blend Green, and we're going to input those numbers. If you see ammoniacal, not sure if I said that right, nitrogen, make sure you put that in the NH4 column. For the phosphate, make sure you change that to P205 because that is the number on the bag. And same for the potassium, K2O should be changed there as well. And you can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to go Master Blend Tomato Green, just so I know. They changed the formula from the blue bag to the green bag, so if anybody's wondering why I'm labeling it green. And then we add to the database. And you'll get two warning messages here. The P will be converted, that's okay, and same with the potassium, so that's totally fine. And then it's going to show up in the alphabetical list of what we just added. So there we see we've just added that Master Blend Tomato Green, and now it's usable for your calculations. If you like videos like this about Hydrobuddy, there will be another video on the side here. You can check that one out next.